Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and download credit report on Experian. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, first of all, go ahead, access your Experian on your browser. Once you have got the official website, simply sign in with your account's information. Right after you have signed in, you're going to find this kind of interface, right? All you have to do right over here is simply going to go ahead, tap on this option of report and scores, which is given on top. Upon doing that, you will be able to find this kind of menu options given within that section. Go ahead, tap on this option of credit reports. Once you have done so, another tab will open up, which will look like this, and right over here you can see Experian, Equifax, TransUnion, Compare All, etc. is given on top. You have to go to this Experian option on top, and this will open up the Experian section, and afterwards simply gonna go ahead, tap on the sprint report, which is given on the right section of your screen. After you have done so, this kind of another interface will open up with the information of your credit report. All you have to do is tap on the sprint this page, then particular credit report will be saved, aka print, and you can simply save it as a PDF file in your computer, and you can use it and check it out whenever you want. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.